MLP, so as you know, you should win the round. That's clear, right? And after the round, there are a number of wins. And after the number of wins, there's a quotient where yung exactong points are considered. So the thing is, for the rounds, orange has 4 round wins. And pink also has 4 round wins. Green has 3 round wins. And yellow has 3 round wins. So in essence, tie ang orange and pink, tie din ang green and yellow. So what we had to do next was to count the number of wins you had. So green triumphed over yellow because they had 13 wins over the 12 wins of yellow. Pink, although they had 4 rounds, only had 11 wins compared to orange, who had 14 wins.
Let's go!
So, we'll announce the bronze winners. Mark?
Alright, for the bronze, thank you, Pin. The winner for the bronze is Team Green. Team Green, come on, Green. The award of the team winner, handcuffs himself, Anthony Dulce. Photo of each player will get a shirt from Unbox care of Anthony Dulce. Thank you so much. All players will be receiving a shirt from Unbox care of Anthony Dulce. Okay. The co-captains will be the ones to place the medal. For now, we'll be giving. Alright, for now, we will have 3 medals, but additional 5 will be given to you. Alright? For the sake of the co-captains. For photo ops na. Yes, hands? The third one. Picture first. Mr. Photographer. Official photographer. Limuel. Akif. Equip for official photographer. Impress din na. One more. Hold it.
Official photographers first, after them. After them. After that, you can sit.
I hold it. Official photographer. Alright. For the second placer, we would like to call on a photo ops. to the silver. Calvin. Yeah, we have for the silver. We would like to call on Team Pink. Let's go!
Okay, for silver, iba naman yung design ng shirt for silver. Alright. Now I get it. For silver gets another.
After the photo shoot, you will be given your own shirts. This is just for our photo ops. We have 2 months for now. 5 will be given to
Tama ka nga,
Next
dyan
to the
tayo.
team, get your shirt
The
later.
rest of the medals will be given to you on our 3. So, the people who got this and who really takes the MVP will be given the benefits. Right.
Let's go, let's go.
One, two, three.
Hold it, hold it. Yung official photographer now. Hands for the photo. One real quick.
One group picture. One, two, three. Awesome. Thank you. Awesome.
And of course,
Last but not the least, for the team who will get the gold medal, we would like to call on Team Orange. All right, photo.
okay. If the rest of the team members can get your shirt later.
We're gonna go captains of Orange. Another one.
Okay. Photo off. Compress, guys, compress. Yes. Paki-flex naman yung mga shirt, guys.
Yun, no? Jump shot.
All right, everyone's about to hear. Let's see the photographers with them.
This event's champion.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Captains of respective clubs. Sino yung captain ng bawat club? BFRPC, captain. I think it's Harry. Harry, captain ng club. And from Alabama. Bangers? Winston? Winston, come up here.
Winston, please come over. Alright, before we do the awarding for the champion, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the BM Resort, Pickleball Club, and the Alabama and former Alabama family. Thank you so much, we really appreciate it. We're personally really excited and we really wanted to play with you guys, and this is our first time to play with other groups. Actually, not only the first, but then again, the experience that we have with you guys is very memorable. And with that, we love you guys. We'll roll it back. We'll play with them soon. Yes! Congratulations also. Thank you. And once again, I'd like to thank Anthony and Winston for giving us this opportunity to play with them. This is a different set. We really appreciate it. The music, the food, the Gcash, the people, the team. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. So with that, thank you.
Thank you very much, Artbox and BM Resort. Thank you, everyone.
Alright, there you have it. And, okay, mandatory photo op.
Everyone in the PC, where are they?
You know.
The official photo.
Alright. And to announce this event's champion. Woo! The best club. Oh, it has some weight on it, man. By the way, this is made by Regalos by Unbox. Unbox first pickleball dual meet champion. Get the banner, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, BFRPC. The Unbox first pickleball dual meet champion goes to Alabama's Pickleball! Team captain. Oh, okay. So
yung ano.
Ilang podium. Yun!